Hi YouTube, back at another train station, this time in Catania, Sicily, and we're boarding the train to Seracusa. All being well, got our tickets and ready to go. Okay, so we have to go to platform 3, which is on the other side, so here we go. Sort of typical southern, Sicilian railway station. The one in Messina is very similar. This train's going to the airport. We're getting the next train. Joanne's taking a photograph of a train spotter. I wonder who that could be. Colours are nice, the livery. Hashtag Europe loves Sicily. That one just came back up from Taormina, which is a really nice place. We've done that trip before. Now this cost us, I think, €8.80 each return. It takes about an hour, thereabouts. Our train is at 12:27 to Seracusa.
Andiamo.
Busy little station. A couple of different liveries there. And that's the one in the middle is a Hitachi unit. Can't read what this one says, but yeah. I guess somebody's already tagged this one. Horrible. This is our train that will take us to Seracusa.
Here.
Right on time and a nice, slow, gradual take off from the platform. There's a remnant from the past. And there's another one, an 060. It's gradually picking up speed as they come out the station. These are your typical apartment buildings, basically, all over the city, very densely populated. The first stop is the airport. Now you can take a bus into the centre of the city, or you can take the train. You should check your directions if you're using maps. You don't always take the most direct route, so check it all out before you get here. Save yourself some time and hassle. There are many Duomos like that one there all across the city. And Baroque architecture everywhere. And that's Mount Etna in the distance there, and all that cloud is from the continuing eruptions. Warnings have been issued not to go up there. Also other track going through here parallel to the train that we're on.
viaggi con un biglietto digitale regionale, questo si valida automaticamente all'orario di partenza programmato. Ricordiamo che il biglietto digitale è...
These are nice seats, as you can see, very comfortable. Four to a pod, some of them only have two going in the wrong direction, but these are great. So we're heading back to Catania. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video from Sicily. There are a couple more coming on different routes, and so you'll see different types of trains, different scenery, different trackside installations. And if you found it useful or interesting, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. You know how it works. And we'll see you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.